Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what it takes for us to explore beyond our planet? Those tiny specks of light aren't just stars, they're mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Space isn't just an empty vastness, it's a tapestry full of stories, and our exploration of it is a journey filled with innovation and dreams as vast as the universe itself. Let's take a step back and imagine standing on a high cliff, the wind whispering against your skin. Before you, the ocean stretches infinitely, and you know that beyond the horizon lies a world waiting to be discovered. This was once the feeling of explorers on Earth. Now imagine space as that ocean and us at the edge, daring to take the plunge into the unknown. Our journey into space is made possible by extraordinary technologies that push the boundaries of human capability. Picture this: a spaceship, sleek and shining, cutting through the dark void as smoothly as a dolphin through water. But have you ever thought about what makes that possible? When I was a child, I used to lie on the grass in my backyard, staring up at the stars, dreaming of what it would be like to fly among them. Back then, it seemed as simple as defying gravity and setting sail. But in reality, the journey to the stars involves a cocktail of science, engineering, and an unyielding spirit of curiosity. One of the most awe-inspiring technologies in our space exploration toolkit is the rocket. Imagine the sound of a rocket launching. It's not just noise, it's a symphony of power and precision. The ground trembles beneath you, and the air fills with the scent of burning fuel, a reminder of the controlled chaos that allows us to break free from Earth's grip. You might be surprised to know that these rockets aren't just giant tubes of metal. Inside, they house intricate systems that require years of development and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Engineers work tirelessly, often with a single-minded focus, to ensure that every bolt and wire can withstand the journey. The next time you see a rocket launch on TV, remember that it's a masterpiece of human ingenuity, a testament to our desire to reach out and touch the stars. Another technology that has revolutionized our exploration is the rover. If rockets are the ships that carry us across the cosmic seas, rovers are the scouts that explore new lands on our behalf. Picture a rover, its wheels slowly turning over the rugged, rust-colored terrain of Mars, sending back images and data that provide us with glimpses of another world, a world so alien, yet so familiar in its potential to tell us more about ourselves. As I grew older and more curious about space, I realized that these rovers are like robotic envoys, enduring harsh environments to feed our hunger for knowledge. They withstand temperatures that would freeze or melt their circuits, dust storms that obscure their path, and the loneliness of a planet millions of miles away. Yet they keep moving forward, uncovering secrets locked within rocks and soil. And while we've long been fascinated with the idea of visiting Mars, new technologies are paving the way for us to explore even further. Imagine telescopes so powerful they can peer back in time to the very beginnings of the universe. These aren't just tools, they're time machines, allowing us to witness galaxies forming and stars being born. But beyond the machines and devices, space exploration is about something more profound. It's about understanding our place in the universe. Each mission, each discovery, is like finding a piece of a puzzle, helping us make sense of the bigger picture. We are, after all, made of stardust, and in exploring space, we're truly exploring ourselves. Technology also plays a pivotal role in how we live in space. The International Space Station, ISS, is a marvel in itself, orbiting Earth like a lighthouse in the sky. It's a place where scientists live and work, carrying out experiments that could change life here on Earth. Imagine floating in zero gravity, your hair softly drifting around you, every movement slow and deliberate. It's a world where the usual rules don't apply, and this gives us a unique opportunity to study things we can't study on Earth. One of my favorite stories from the ISS is about lettuce. Yes, lettuce. It might sound mundane, but growing food in space is a huge step toward longer missions to Mars or beyond. Picture a small garden in the middle of a vast metal habitat. These tiny plants, with their emerald leaves, are not just a food source, but a symbol of life thriving in the most unexpected places. They remind us of our ability to adapt and innovate. Our exploration of space is also about preparing for the unexpected. Imagine what it would be like to live on a planet where you can't breathe the air, where you need to wear a suit to step outside. Technologies such as closed-loop life support systems are being developed to help humans survive in these harsh conditions. It's not just science fiction, it's the reality of our future dreams. As we stand on the brink of this new age of exploration, the technologies we're developing aren't just about reaching new destinations. They're about building bridges between planets, between ideas, and between people. Each step forward brings us closer to understanding our cosmic neighborhood and our place within it. And so, under the canvas of the night sky, as we continue to look up and dream, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey we're on. It's a journey fueled by technology, guided by curiosity, and driven by the timeless human desire to explore. Whether we're growing lettuce in space or sending rovers to distant worlds, every advancement brings us closer to understanding not just the universe, but the essence of who we are. The next time you gaze at the stars, remember the incredible effort and imagination it takes to reach them. We are all part of this adventure, sharing in the wonder and the promise of new frontiers. It's an exciting time to be alive, standing on the edge of discovery, ready to explore the unknown.